Alright, so for this video, we're going to look at how to identify slopes from a graph. And remember, identify something that's fine, and a graph is what you go to the review. Remember that the slope is the rise over run, so we're just looking at the vertical distance and the horizontal distance to get from one point on the line to the next. And the equation again was, let me actually just write down the equation real quick, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Just stay consistent, the order doesn't matter, but these are the second points. This is the second point, and this is the first point. Alright, in this example, it's asking you to estimate the slope of the following graph. And notice that it doesn't give you any exact point, so you're going to have to try to estimate it. What I do is I usually try to find one spot on the line that you can kind of guess the coordinate of it. That looks like it's 1, 2, 2. This is a 3 right here. That looks like it's 0, 3. Find another point that you think you can find. I think you can actually find this one right here. That looks like it's 2, 6. How do you find the slope of that? Two ways. Now that you do the point, you could actually do the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Plug it in, get the other work. Another way to think about it is, another way to do it actually is just going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you went up 6 points, and then to the right you went 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we're looking for rise over run. In this example, how much did we rise? We rise 6. And how much did we run? We run 4. So your slope is 6 over 4. How can you rewrite that? 3 over 2. M equals 3 over 2. Alright, let's look at another example. What about this case? Same thing, start off with the same idea, try to find a point that you can kind of guesstimate. Pick that one, and it looks like you could pick this one. Think about something shorter. Let's pick this one right here. Let's look for what makes this equation rise. Oops, that says rise over run. Well, how much do you rise? You don't actually go up. Well, you don't actually go up, you go down. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead of rising positive 5, you rise negative 5. And how much do you run? 1, 2. This is still going to the right, so you run 2. What is your slope? You get rise negative 5. It's just saying going down, and run 2. So M equals negative 5 over 2. Put a box around that, and that's your answer. So again, to review, make sure that whenever you're going up, if you're checking for the rise, if you're going up, it's positive. If you're going down, it's negative. If you're checking for the run, super similar. If you're going to the right, it's positive. If you're going to the left, it's negative.